Today we are going to discuss Fourier series half range cosine series problems. Given function is f of x is equal to x sin x. For this one we have to find cosine series, half range cosine series, and also show that like this. So cosine series means you have to find out a0 and an only. a0 is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. F of x stands for x sin x, that is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi x sin x dx. 2 by pi integration of this one x into sin x integration minus cos x minus x differentiation 1 minus as usual cos x integration is sin x between the limit 0 to pi. If you substitute the upper limit 2 by pi into minus pi cos pi, if you substitute pi here 0, next you go for the lower limit 0 into something 0, 0 into sin 0 0, therefore entire one terms will be 0. So if you simplify this one, a0 is equal to, you will get 2, pi will get cancelled, minus cos pi, cos 180 is minus 1, minus 1 into minus plus 1, therefore a0 is equal to 2. n is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. F of x is x sin x into cos nx dx. That is equal to 1 by pi, 2 you move to the inside, x into 2 sin x cos nx dx. This is in the form of sin 2 sin a cos b model. So 1 by pi integral 0 to pi x into sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So if you separate the terms, 1 by pi integral 0 to pi x sin 1 plus n into x dx, 1 by pi integral 0 to pi x sin 1 minus n into x dx. If you integrate this one, x into sin integration minus cos 1 plus n into x by 1 plus n, x differentiation 1 minus as usual cos integration is sin 1 plus n into x by 1 plus n into 1 plus n whole square. Next this integration 1 by pi x into minus cos 1 minus n into x by 1 minus n, x differentiation 1 minus as usual cos integration is plus sin 1 minus n into x by 1 minus n into 1 minus n whole square between the limit 0 to pi. If you substitute the upper limit here, 1 by pi into minus pi cos 1 plus n into pi by 1 plus n. If you substitute sin 1 plus n into pi 0, next if you substitute 0 into something 0, sin 0 is 0, so remaining terms will be 0. Similarly 1 by pi into, if you substitute the upper limit, minus pi cos 1 minus n into pi by 1 minus n, sin pi 0, next third term also 0, if you substitute here fourth term also 0. So if you simplify this one, you are going to get as pi will get cancelled, so minus 1 into minus 1 whole power n plus 1 cos 1 plus n into pi, that is minus 1 whole power n plus 1. Denominator for our notation I am writing as 1 n plus 1. Here also pi will get cancelled, minus 1 into minus 1 whole power n minus 1. I am writing it as minus 1 whole power n minus 1. Here for our notation 1 minus n, I am writing it as n minus 1. N minus 1, therefore you come across with one negative sign here, negative will get cancelled, you will get the positive term. So if you simplify this one, you are going to get minus 1 power n minus 1, that is nothing but this one by n minus 1. This minus I am writing here, minus 1 I am writing here, minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is the an, therefore a0 is equal to 2, an is equal to this much. So if you check it, an, here the term contains the n minus 1. If n is equal to 1, this is infinity, therefore at n is equal to 1, so this formula fails. Okay, so a1 is not defined at n is equal to 1, so we have to do it in a separate method. A2, if in place of n is equal to 2, if you substitute, you will get minus 2 by 1 into 3. A3 is equal to 2 by 2 into 4. A4 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into 5, so on. A1 case we will do this separately. A1 is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi x sin x cos nx, but n is equal to 1, therefore cos 1x dx. Now this 2 you move to the inside, 2 sin x cos x, that is nothing but sin 2x. If you integrate this one, x into minus cos 2x by 2, x differentiation 1, minus as usual sin 2x by 4. If you substitute pi here, cos 2 pi by 2, 2 cos 180, cos 2 pi 361, that means 1 means 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 you left with, minus 1 by 2 into pi, minus pi by 2, sin of something, if you substitute pi it is 0, next 0 into something 0, if you substitute 0 this is also 0, the only one term you left with, therefore minus pi will get cancelled, you left with minus 1 by 2, a1. F of x is equal to Fourier series expansion a0 by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx. So f of x is x sin x is equal to a0 2 by 2 a1 cos nx cos 1x, a1 is equal to how much, minus 1 by 2 cos 1x, a2 cos 2x, a2 is minus 2 by 1 into 3 cos 2x, a3 cos 3x, 2 by 2 into 4 into cos 3x plus so on. Put x is equal to pi by 2, then what happens, put x is equal to sin 91, therefore you left with pi by 2, pi by 2 is equal to, here it is 1, cos 90 0, therefore you left with 0, minus 2 by 1 into 3 into cos 2 into pi by 2, cos 180 minus 1, next one cos 3 pi by 2 0, next one 2 by minus 2 by 3 into 5 into 1, so on. So this one you move to the left hand side, pi by 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 1 into 3 minus 2 by 3 into 5 plus 2 by 5 into 7, so on. So this is nothing but pi minus 2 by 2 is equal to this much. This 2 is in each term, therefore this 2 you move to the left hand side, therefore pi minus 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 1 into 3 minus 1 by 3 into 5 plus so on. Okay, thank you.